Hello everyone, welcome to the Craftcore DIY Sewing YouTube channel. If you're new here, click that subscribe button for more sewing and crafting content. I've received a few questions regarding the bobbin case for the Husqvarna 1070, so I've decided to refilm how to load the bobbin case and prepare the bobbin thread for sewing. I've already described how to thread the upper thread and wind the bobbin in my previous video, so be sure to watch that one first if you need information on those elements. Go ahead and thread your upper thread now, then follow the steps in this video. First, let's remove the bobbin case from the machine. Flip open the white front panel and the clear panel to access the bobbin area. You can remove the bobbin case easily by pinching the center latch on the case, pull it out towards you. The case and the bobbin will come out. Tip out whatever bobbin is currently inside the case, if any. Prepare the bobbin you want to use by winding it first. The Husqvarna bobbins for this machine feature a logo on one side. When you hold the bobbin with the logo facing you, the bobbin thread end should lead off the bottom clockwise. Hold the metal bobbin case in your hand so that it's pointing up and the hole is facing towards you. Place the bobbin inside so that the logo is facing you. It doesn't snap into place, the bobbin just rests inside, so carefully turn the bobbin case while pinching the bobbin in place so that you can see the side of the bobbin case. Lead the thread through the slit in the metal and pull it up behind the metal lip. Pull the thread fully toward the right, then up. Leave a tail, something like 3 or 4 inches would be fine. Insert the bobbin case into the bobbin area with the point of the bobbin case facing up. The bobbin case will click into place. The bed of the sewing machine area features a small gap, so lead the thread up towards this gap, then close the clear bobbin case area. Our goal is to have the upper thread leading out from the threaded needle and the lower thread coming up from the hole in the needle plate. Hold the upper thread taut out to the back left. At the same time, turn the hand wheel towards you, which will advance the needle and bring up a loop of thread from the bobbin area. Use your finger to pull at the loop, bringing the bobbin thread up and out of the hole. Now both threads are ready. Put a test piece of fabric under your foot, lower the presser foot, and hold the threads taut. Press your pedal to start sewing. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video. In my next video, I'll show you how to program 2 types of stitch sequences on the Husqvarna 1070 sewing machine, either putting in a phrase or putting in a variety of decorative stitches. Hope to see you there. Please like and subscribe for more crafty videos. This is Craftcore signing off. See you next time. Happy sewing!